After harvesting my red romaine lettuce, look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't this? And this was just my first. This was just my first harvest from it. And they will be beautiful and crisp. Beautiful and crisp. I'm going to make a little vinaigrette to go along with this as well. Hey guys, Container Crops here. Welcome back to another episode with the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Today we are harvesting red romaine lettuce. I'm going to use the cut and come back again system. So let's head on over and get it done. Okay guys, we've got some red romaine lettuce here. It's not too huge, but I'm using the cut and come back again method. So I'm going to harvest this. It'll make a nice little addition to my salad. And as you can see down in there, you want to make sure you just leave the crown. And then you should be able to continue to harvest it. They are a cool weather crop, so I want to go ahead and harvest this now, so that I can see if I can harvest it a couple of more times. Okay, so I have some right here, so I'm going to go ahead and snip off all these outer leaves. So hopefully we get to come back again. Okay guys, we have a whole bucket full here. This is going to make a nice salad. I'm probably going to mix it in with some spinach, maybe a little regular iceberg lettuce, who knows. But at any rate, cut and come again. After harvesting my red romaine lettuce, look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't this? And this was just my first. This was just my first harvest from it. So I decided to go ahead and make me a nice mixed green salad. Soon this spinach will be coming out of my yard too. And I will have everything coming out of it. But for now, I'm just going to mix it all together here. Aren't these leaves beautiful, guys? This is going to make me a couple of salads. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Nice and washed. And guys, when you wash off your fresh lettuces from outside, don't panic if they look a little wilted. Just put them in the refrigerator wet. They will come back and they will be beautiful and crisp. Beautiful and crisp. I'm going to make a little vinaigrette to go along with this as well. Look how beautiful that is looking already. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And for a little added crunch, I'm going to add a couple of leaves of just regular iceberg lettuce as well. My iceberg lettuce has already been washed off, guys. So now we have multicolors in here. This is just beautiful. guys, this is amazing, amazing. I'm going to put a couple more leaves in here because I just love it so much. Then I'm going to show you guys how I make my vinaigrette. This is just amazing. Isn't that looking beautiful? Okay, we are ready to make our vinaigrette. I am going to use half a lemon. And you can make as much or as little of this as you like. Typically, this is going to last me for a couple of days because I won't use all of it on this particular salad. Okay, make sure you catch all your seeds in there as well. Set that aside. Now we're going to zest part of our orange, not the whole thing. We're going to zest part of it. Then we're going to also use the juice. That should be enough. It's mostly on the back, as you can see, so make sure you get that all off. And now we're actually going to cut our orange in half. And we're going to use this juice as well. Now we're going to go in with probably about a teaspoon of honey. I'm not going to really measure it, just a little bit. That should be good. Pinch of salt. Then we're going to go in with about a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. I am not big on measurements, guys, because I do it all the time. Last but not least, we're going to go in with our olive oil. We're going to pour and stir at the same time. Good. That a little fast, but that's okay. And at this point, guys, we want to give it a good taste. Doesn't that look good? Delicious, delicious, delicious. Okay, and when we're ready to eat, you want to just drizzle some over your salad, guys. Just like this. And you can go in and toss it. So I look forward to coming again, and I look forward to seeing you all again. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and leave me some comments, guys. Red mustard. These are not red mustard greens. Red romaine lettuce. Woohoo! Yes. Okay, guys. Anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.